The polynomial 4x power 10 minus x power 9 plus 3x power 8 blah 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 blah. When divided by x minus 1 leaves a remainder 2, the value of c plus 6. Simple funda, we use the idea that p of x divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Polynomial remainder theorem. This is p of x. This question tells us p of 1 is equal to 2. P of 1 is very easy to calculate, only the coefficients 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5 plus c plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 2. Solve this, get c, and then find c plus 6. Freebie question, especially in the context of the rest of this paper. 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 minus 5 1, 1 plus c plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 minus 2 plus 6, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, equal to 2. I'm going to verify this. 4 minus 1 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, yes. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 4 minus 2 plus 6 4 minus 2 2. Super. 1 plus c is 0, or c is minus 1. C is minus 1. What is c plus 6? Minus 1 plus 6, 5. Done. Through. Just because a nice simple question, I want to check one more time, not mark some wrong answer. Answer is 5. C is minus 1. C plus 6 minus 1 plus 6, which is 5.